The market of NFT rose in 2020, climbing to a market cap of at least $338 million from about $41 million in 2018. Recently, artworks have been selling on the blockchain for millions of dollars. It started when in 2017, American studio Lava Labs released CryptoPunks as the first non-fungible tokens on Ethereum. Then in late 2017, another project called CryptoKitties went viral, which raised $12.5 million investment. A viral meme of 2011 of Nyan Cat was sold at an online auction for 300 Ether in 2021, equivalent to nearly $500,000. This 10-second video artwork of Donald Trump was sold for $6.6 million in February. There is another video clip of LeBron James slam dunk sold for $208,000 million. Now you might be thinking, that's absurd. How someone can own the original copy of these video clips, GIFs or video artworks, which could be easily seen with an internet connection. What makes them so valuable? Is it because they are sold as NFT or non-fungible tokens? An NFT is a non-fungible token that exists only on a blockchain. Fungible refers to an asset that is easily exchangeable and can be substituted with a commodity of the same value. For example, a $5 could be exchanged for $5 $1. But a non-fungible token is a unique token that isn't easily exchangeable with another and cannot be substituted. Whereas, token refers to a digital certificate stored on a secure distributed database called a blockchain. So, NFTs are unique digital assets authenticated on a blockchain. Now, what are the key characteristics of NFTs? First, they are non-interoperable. For example, a CryptoPunk cannot be used as a character on the CryptoKitties game or vice versa. Secondly, they are indivisible. NFTs cannot be divided into smaller denominations like Bitcoin. They exist exclusively as a whole item. Third, they are indestructible. NFT data is stored on the blockchain via smart contracts. Therefore, each token can be destroyed, removed, or replicated. Ownership of these tokens is also immutable, which means gamers and collectors actually possess their NFTs, not the companies that create them. And lastly, they are verifiable. Another benefit of storing data on the blockchain is that items such as digital artwork can be traced back to the original creator, which allows pieces to be authenticated without the need for third-party verification. That said, could these NFTs very well be the next big thing?